Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin to get real-time information about stock, crypto and other investment asset prices. So before I will show you how to use a prompt to activate the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on my website 𝐅𝐵Hacks.com on this plugin that you can check out and get more details about this plugin, where I also share some of the best prompts you can use the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin with. So make sure to check out the article as well if you're interested in more details. Link to this article in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin. So if you want to use this plugin, of course, first you have to enable the plugin features in your account. And to be able to enable plugins, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. If you don't know how to enable the plugin feature, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Once plugins are enabled, you have to click on New Chat and make sure that GPT-4 is selected from the model selector, and then plugins are selected as well. Then we have to install the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin if you haven't installed it yet. As you can see, it's in my plugin list, which means that I have already installed the plugin. If you haven't, you have to click on plugin store here and install the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin. Then once the plugin is installed, you also have to enable a plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Right, so as you can see, I'm using a really simple prompt. All I want is get the current price for the list of stock symbols, and I have a ton of symbols here. And to get these stock symbols, all I did is copy-pasted the stock symbols from this Google search result, and let's see what the plugin will come up with. So as you can see, I just copy-pasted the stock symbols from Google, and then all you have to do is click on send message. And here is the response we have received from ChatGPT. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or code or any fancy language. If the plugin is activated, ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to use the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin. So as you can see, it has sent the following request to the plugin. So it has basically used the simple version of these symbols, and then it has received a response from the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI plugin with the provider with the highest volume of the stock, the high price, the previous close price, the low price on that given day, the previous close stock price, the change in the stock price, and the change in percent. And it has scraped all this information for all stock symbols we have added in the prompt. And as you can see here, the current prices for the stocks you have received. So it has provided us the stock prices for Apple, Amazon, and all these well-known public companies. And if you want to get even more up-to-date information, you can click on the link here and it will open up the stock page of that company, and you can get more information about the stock price, how it's going up or down. So all in all, this is how to use the 𝐸𝐴𝐼 AI ChatGPT plugin to get stock prices and crypto prices for certain stocks and cryptocurrencies. If you want to learn more about other financial and trading and crypto ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.